equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV27 vacuum cleaner. This is a common issue that can affect the performance of your vacuum, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. First, let's gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV27 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the vacuum is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 3 screws that hold the handle in place. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle away from the body of the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. Now, with the handle removed, you will see the trigger mechanism. Inspect the area for any debris or dust that may have accumulated. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft brush or cloth to ensure smooth operation. If you find that the trigger is stuck due to dirt, this could be the reason for your issues. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the small screws that secure the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Take your time with this step, as the screws can be quite small and easy to lose. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the trigger out of its housing. If it feels stuck, check for any additional clips that may be holding it in place. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Ensure that it fits snugly and that any clips are properly engaged. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the trigger in place. After the trigger is secured, it's time to reattach the handle. Align it with the body of the vacuum and gently push it back into place. Replace the screws in the handle, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Finally, give your vacuum a quick test to ensure the trigger is functioning correctly. Plug it back in and check that the vacuum powers on and off as expected. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your vacuum problems. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV27 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.